Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our toggles straight from the top, extend the list, and somewhere in here we should find our screen recording toggle. So let's see if I can find mine. Oh, there we go. So it's right over here. Now once you locate it, you can tap on it. This will give us a limited amount of options, but let's see if... Oh, it just brings the same options. So it looks like we can only change things like the audio recording, so you can choose between device, microphone, both, or just none if it's turned off. And then also you can toggle on show touch on the screen, so whenever you press the display, it will record it as a semi-transparent gray dot, so it's visible on the recording where you are actually pressing the screen. Now I'm going to toggle the second one just so you can see how that looks like, and in terms of audio I'm just going to keep it off because it doesn't matter. From there, once you press start, it begins a countdown, begins then recording. So whatever you will do right now will obviously be recorded by the device. And when you open up some kind of games, there is a chance I'm going to actually check it. So it opens them up in landscape mode, as you can see, while I started recording in portrait. So we'll see how that affects the actual recording. Let's just go back. Now once you're done recording, you can stop it by just pulling down the notifications once more, selecting stop right here, and there we go. It's now saved to your gallery. So I'm now gonna find my gallery, whatever that is. Oh, there we go, photos. And from here we can navigate quickly to the library where it will most likely be, there we go, screenshots, is that it? Nope. Movies? Ah, there we go, it's right over here. So we're about to see how it will record. Okay, so that's the typical thing. As you can see, if you're planning to record gameplays, then start recording in a landscape mode. Otherwise, you will have the black bars on top and bottom. So what it does is, whenever you begin recording, it just starts recording in the orientation that you have your device in. So in this case, for me, it was portrait mode. And when you switch to an application that switches to landscape mode, like the game for instance, it then creates black bars on top and bottom to keep the actual image still just in this kind of portrait mode, so you can see it, but because of that, like I said, you have the black bars. So when you start recording the game straight away, when it's already in landscape mode, you will actually then be utilizing the entire screen instead of having the black bars. And just if I flip it over, if I'm correct, this should, come on, this should be even smaller, as you can see. Because right now we have basically the screen is this size, and we have black bars on top and bottom. So there we go. So like I said, if you're planning to record gameplays, start recording once you actually launch the game, not before. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.